The difference in the two groups is that one was put up in a city while the other was put up in a rural location, and the conclusion is that interacting with locals enhances the ability to learn from cultures, and therefore those which had better results, their setup allowed them greater opportunities to interact with locals. The guys who stayed in rural areas had greater opportunities, so therefore this is a very fine assumption to have. Option B is quite irrelevant because the conclusion is about the cultural exposure for the two groups. Now, whether it intrigued or it did not intrigue is not an assumption here. And if that were the case, then interacting with locals, that argument. So this would apply to both the groups, and that therefore this doesn't explain. This cannot be an assumption. This in fact weakens the argument. It says that it was their inclination and not the interaction with locals so much. So this does not qualify as an assumption. If that were the case, the other group would have done better. So this cannot be the assumption. A is the best choice.